Good day everybody, USADOS is here. Today we got this SANTAFE Gold 2004 sunroof. The car is in a very good condition. Let's take a look at it, show you everything. It's a manual transmission, by the way. But yep, let's take a look at this beautiful car. Very clean from the outside.
Esta es USYMAN.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale a me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. BUSYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono celular es más 8210-7353-2398.
Okay, here we go. I opened the engine room. As you can hear, the engine sounds very normal. Nothing looks weird or bad. Everything looks in its place. It's very clean actually. No oil or smoke is coming out. The oil level is also good. So yeah, everything looks fine here. Alright, here we go. We're inside the car right now. Let's check everything here. Starting by pressing the button here. Start the engine. Lights are on. Lights are off. Everything looks good. Okay, let's try to accelerate and show the RPMs. Okay. Goes up very smoothly. One more time. Let's show you from the bottom here. Okay. We have buttons here for volume to control the audio. Let's check the windows as well. For windows. Perfect. Let's try the other side. Works perfectly. This one too. Just there. The chairs here. This window. They work just fine. The chairs are very clean. Alright. This one for the mirrors. Let's also check, the radio.
다시 시작했는데 귀가 작동을 했네요. 왠지 여기서
Okay, let's scan for channels.
와, 우리 엄마 왜 이렇게 잘못하셨나 했더니
Audio works perfectly. Sound is very clear. Try the AC. Going cold for the mood. Like this. Okay, cold air started to come. Very cold. Perfect. Strong wind, cold wind, coming very smoothly. From here as well. So the AC works just fine. Okay, let's take a look at the roof here. The sunroof. Then open it from this button. Here, we'll close. Perfect. What else? It's a manual transmission, of course. Here for the seat heaters. Yep. That should be everything. So this is the end of the review of this SANTAFE 2004. As you have seen in the video, everything looks perfect, fine. It works in a very good way. Engine sounds really good. If you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can reach us out at busyman.kr. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es busyman.kr. El número de teléfono es +8210 7353 2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.